Hi everyone and welcome to Into Music with the Voices Foundation. We're so happy to have you with us. We'll be here every Friday up until the end of term to help you get into musical learning at home. Together we'll be playing with musical concepts, practicing new skills and learning songs you can sing with the whole family. Let's see what we're getting up to today. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, click the notification bell so you can see everything that we're getting up to here on the Voices Foundation channel. You can also follow us at Twitter at voices_found and use the hashtag VFIntoMusic so we can see everything that you do if you tag us as well. Today is all about animals, and so to warm up our bodies we're going to make some animal sounds and then sing a song about numbers which isn't really related to animals unless you're counting them. Yes, there we go, tenuous link. The first thing I want you to do is to put your little fingers in your belly button and put your thumbs underneath where your rib cage is and take a big breath in and feel your diaphragm expand and then let it out nice and gently. Let's do that again. And again. And one more time, big breath in. And letting it out nice and gently. We do that to make sure that we're not just all breathing from here and going with our hands where we've just put them and with our big diaphragm breaths we're going to make some animal sounds. So the first thing we're going to do is make the sound of a snake like this. Your turn. I bet your snake is still going. You can do that as many times as you like. We're also now going to say woof, but we're really going to enjoy the F sound at the end of woof. So woof, woof, woof. And you should feel your diaphragm muscles working at this point. Take a big breath in. Here we go. Woof, 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 woof. And another big breath in. Let it out in a big sigh. Ah. We're going to warm up our faces now. We're going to say meow like a cat. Meow. Massage your face. Meow. Massage your neck. Meow. Massage your shoulders. Meow. Meow. Okay, here is our tenuously linked counting song, which is kind of about counting animals. We're going to sing the numbers 1 to 8. We're going to sing them like this. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sure you caught on with the idea of that because you're all very brilliant. This time, when we sing it, on the number 3, we're going to tap our head instead of sing 3. So it'll be 1, 2, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. Okay, we'll do it a little bit slower. Off we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2. I did it wrong. Remember, when we do this, we've got to put that number that we're replacing with an action in our head. Okay? So 3, we're going to sing it in our head but not sing it out loud, and we're going to replace it with an action. Off we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Very good. Let's make it harder. Let's add another one in. We're going to add in 7, and on 7 we're going to clap. So 3 and 7. Off we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. I was concentrating so hard. Have a go yourself. Tag us on Twitter. We'd love to see what combinations you come up with. The first song we're going to sing together is called All the Little Ducks, and it's about ducks when they turn upside down in the water and they're looking for the grass and the reeds and all their food at the bottom of the pond. Your thumbs are going to be the little ducks, and they're going to stand, one of them's going to be upside down with his head at the top, one of them's going to be bottom side down with his head at the bottom, okay? So I'm going to sing a song and I'm going to move my thumbs. But first of all, we'll learn the song. My turn, your turn. Off I go, all the little ducks turn upside down. All the little ducks turn upside down. Upside down, upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks turn upside down. All the little ducks turn upside down. When they dabble at the bottom of the pond. When they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Very, very, very good. Let's see if we can do those into longer phrases or longer musical sentences. Off I go, all the little ducks turn upside down. Upside down, upside down. Off you go, all the little ducks turn upside down. Upside down, upside down. Very, very good. My turn. Off I go, all the little ducks turn upside down when they dabble at the bottom of the pond. All the little ducks turn upside down when they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Very, very good. Okay, we're going to sing the whole song together. You ready? Off we go, all the little ducks turn upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks turn upside down when they dabble at the bottom of the pond. I think we are ready for the challenge. We have to change our thumbs every time we sing upside down, okay? Let's start like this. It makes it more confusing. This would just be easy peasy, but this is confusing, and we like confusing here. Off we go, all the little ducks turn upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks turn upside down when they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Did you get it right? I'm not sure if we ended up on the same way. Maybe we did, maybe we didn't. Maybe you can let us know. Your challenge with this song is to come up with another verse. So maybe you could do, all the little ducks say quack, quack, quack. Or all the ducks' feet go tap, tap, tap. We'd love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to tag us so we can have a look. The next song is always done as a big circle game with lots of people, but it's you and me here with the camera. So I've thought of a different way that we can add some kind of excitement to this song. We're going to create an ostinato with our bodies and create a really interesting pattern to sing with. Hold on a second, an ostinato. An ostinato is a repeated pattern or phrase, and we're going to create one with body percussion that goes underneath our song. The song goes like this. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog, bow, wow, wow. I love this song. It's really simple. I love simple songs, to be honest, because you can get so much out of them. Let me sing it again to you. I'm going to sing it a little bit higher. Off I go, bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog, bow, wow, wow. The pattern that I thought we'd put underneath is one to make it cool and funky, and it goes like this. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog, bow, wow, wow. We're going to have two versions of this pattern, okay? Because that one's quite complicated, and if you can't get it right, I don't want you to get frustrated. It's taken me years and years and years to learn that pattern because I'm very, very old. So I'm going to give you a simplified version. That's the one I started with until I was more confident. So you will need your hand and your chest area, and you're going to get your right hand and you're going to tap your chest and then click with the same hand. Doom, ga, like that. Your turn. Doom, ga. Very good. Then we're going to go to a clap like this. Doom, ga, di. Your turn. Doom, ga, di. Very, very good. I always put these sounds into my mouth as well, so it's kind of like beatboxing. Who knows? Who knows? So that's the first bit of our pattern. Your turn again. And again. Very, very good. Then we're going to come back round like this. And you notice I'm keeping this hand here, my left hand, I'm keeping here so I always know that I'm going to hit it. Oh yeah. And that is the simple version, but I think it also sounds really, really good. So you can then do bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog, bow, wow, wow. You can sing it with any song that we've done together. All the little ducks turn upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks turn upside down when they dabble at the bottom of the pond. It's a really great rhythm, a really great pattern, a great ostinato to keep with the music. Let's see if we can learn the more complicated version, okay? So we're going to do what we're doing, then we're going to add 2 hands onto our chest. Watch me. Okay, I'll do that again. So what happens is as I go back to start again, my left hand quickly joins in. Doom dit da dit do doom dit da dit doom dit da dit do doom dit da dit. It's not every time, you'll notice. It's not because we get stuck in a loop. It's every other time. Okay, can you hear that? Do-doom. Do-doom. You're imagining that you are a drummer and you're using your body as your percussion instrument. Let's see if we can put those 2 things together. And I need to teach you the song because I got so excited with the body percussion. My turn, your turn. Bow, wow, wow. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog, little Charlie Chaplin's dog. Bow, wow, wow, bow, wow, wow. Do a bit of research, find out who Charlie Chaplin was. Let's do that into longer phrases now. My turn, your turn. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Go. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? My turn. Little Charlie Chaplin's dog, little Charlie Chaplin's dog. Bow, wow, wow, bow, wow, wow. I broke that back up into our shortest phrases because little Charlie Chaplin's dog has got a wide pitch range and I want us to really make sure that we're getting that right together. Okay, let's try and put the whole song together. Are you ready, team? All right, off we go. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Let's sing it again. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Okay, let's see if we can put our body percussion, rhythmic ostinato with our song. Don't forget, if you just want to do the whole time you can, because that's really important. And if you just want to do, you can, because that's going to keep us steady to our beat, the steady pulse, which we know is very important. Okay, here we go. Off we go. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Charlie Chaplin's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Maybe you can see how fast you can do it and tag us on Twitter with #VFIntoMusic. Our last song today is a funny song about a pussycat, and it's about a cat who's waiting for a rat, and he's a fat cat waiting for a fat rat. And this is going to be another composition challenge. Composition? A composition is when you create an original piece of music. Now you might think, hold on, we're going to base our piece of music on something that we know. That's okay. Lots of people do that. They use other pieces of music as inspiration. You're going to change the words, which means you'll change the rhythm, which means you're creating something new. Woohoo! Okay, let me teach you the first song that you're going to base your music on. I can't wait to see what you get up to. My turn first. Here comes a fat cat. Here comes a fat cat. Waiting for a fat rat. Waiting for a fat rat. No one came to feed her. No one came to feed her. Poor little fat cat. Poor little fat cat. Oh, poor pussy cat. Let's see if we can do that in longer phrases. My turn, off I go. Here comes a fat cat. Waiting for a fat rat. Here comes a fat cat. Waiting for a fat rat. No one came to feed her. Poor little fat cat. No one came to feed her. Poor little fat cat. Very good. Let's sing the whole song. Off we go. Here comes a fat cat. Waiting for a fat rat. No one came to feed her. Poor little fat cat. Silly song. I would like you to make up a verse about another animal. So you maybe could do, here swims the blue whale with his really long tail, swimming through the water with his son and daughter. You want to think about those ending words rhyming. Thank you so much for being with us today. We hope you had a lot of fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed the songs used in today's video, be sure to check out the Voices Foundation Inside Music books, linked in the description below. We hope you enjoy singing these songs over the weekend, and we'll see you again next Friday. Bye for now!